How to retrieve deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. This guide shows you how to export and recover your deleted conversations through data download. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. From there, tap on Settings at the top of the menu. At this point, scroll all the way down to the bottom. In the next step, tap on More in Account Center. Following this, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Once done, tap on Access Your Information from the list. From here, you'll see blue highlighted text that says Export Your Information in Account Center. At this stage, tap on it and you'll be taken to your web browser. After this, tap Create Export to start the data export process. Once completed, choose Facebook Profile since Messenger is connected to Facebook. Finally, tap Export to Device as the export destination. Now, tap Customize Information to select only messages instead of exporting all your data. Choose your desired date range and file format, then tap Start Export. If you do this within 30 days of message deletion, you have a higher chance of recovering deleted messages in the export file. And that's it. If this message recovery guide helped you retrieve deleted conversations, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.